Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some important questions of cell the unit of life which are important for your NEET exam. So let's start. So our first question is we have to identify the diagram. It is the diagram of a cell. So the first structure A is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the second is indicating mitochondria. So the correct option will be first. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum and second is mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell as it synthesizes ATP. So our second question is, again we have to identify the diagram. It is diagram of mitochondria as you all know. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So the correct option will be A, powerhouse of the cell. Our third question is, we have to identify the diagram. Here A represents the satellite. Satellite is a part of a chromosome above secondary constriction. So the correct option will be C and the B indicates stalk. Let's move to the next question. Here the chromosome is metacentric as both the arms are equal. So option A will be correct. Let's now discuss some previous year questions of NEET and AIMS. First question is, which of the following statement regarding mitochondrial membrane is not correct? So let's read. The outer membrane resembles a sieve tube. The second option, the outer membrane is permeable to all kinds of molecule. Third, the enzyme and the electron transfer chain are embedded in the outer membrane. The inner membrane is highly convoluted, forming a series of enfoldings. As you all know, the wrong answer will be option 3, as the enzymes of the electron transfer chain are embedded in the inner membrane and not in the outer membrane. So the correct option will be third. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following statement regarding cilia is not correct? First option, cilia contain an outer of 9 doublet microtubules surrounding 2 single microtubule. Second, the organized bearing of cilia is controlled by fluxes of calcium across the membrane. Cilia are hair-like cellular appendages. Microtubules of cilia are composed of tubulin. Wrong answer will be 4, as microtubules are composed of proteins and not of tubules. So correct option will be 4th. Third question, which of the following is not a constituent of cell membrane? First, phospholipid. Second, cholesterol. Third, glycolipid. Fourth, proline. Correct option will be proline as it is not a constituent of a cell membrane. Proline is also known as amino acid. Remember it. Next question. Select the wrong statement from the following. The chloroplast is generally much larger than mitochondria. Both chloroplast and mitochondria contain an inner and outer membrane. Both chloroplast and mitochondria have an inner compartment and the thylakoid space bounded by the thylakoid membrane. Both chloroplast and mitochondria contain DNA. In all the four, the wrong statement is third because thylakoid is only present in chloroplast and not in mitochondria. So it will be the correct option. Next question. Polysome is formed by a ribosome with several subunits. Ribosome attached to each other to a linear arrangement. Several ribosome attached to a single mRNA. Many ribosome attached to a strand of endoplasmic reticulum. Correct option will be several ribosome attached to a single mRNA. The full form of mRNA is messenger RNA. Correct option will be third. Next question. Vacuole is in a plant cell, lacks membrane and contains. Second option, lacks membrane and contain water and excretory substance. It membrane bound and contains storage and protein lipid. Is membrane bound and contains water and excretory products. The correct option will be it's membrane bound and contains water and excretory products. Fourth. Next question. In germinating seed, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in the peroxisome, mitochondria, protoplast, and glyoxysome. Correct option is glyoxysome. Let's move to the next question. Keeping in mind the fluid mosaic model for the structure of cell membrane, which case of the following statement is correct with respect to the movement of lipids and proteins from one lipid monolayer to the other, described as flip-flop movement? First option, while proteins can flip-flop, lipid cannot. Neither lipid nor protein can flip-flop. Third option, both lipid and protein can flip-flop. Fourth option, while lipid can rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. The correct answer will be fourth. While lipids can rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. The movement of protein is ping-pong, not the flip-flop. So the correct answer will be fourth. Let's move to the next question. Plasmodesmata are: first option, connections between adjacent cell, lignified connections layer between cell, locomotory structures, membrane connecting the nucleus with plasmolemma. Correct answer is connection between adjacent cell. Next question. Middle lamella is composed mainly of phosphoglyceride, hemicellulose, muramic acid, calcium pectate. Correct answer is calcium pectate. Middle lamella is composed of magnesium and calcium pectate. So the correct answer will be calcium pectate. Next question. Cytoskeleton is made up of proteinaceous filaments, calcium carbonate granules, cellulose deposit, cellulosic microfibrils. Correct option is proteinaceous filament. Thanks for watching. Keep waiting for upcoming videos.